Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, we're going to be talking about our main builder tool called Drag and Drop Pixel Perfect. Over here to our left side menu, we can click in Builders, and our first option is the Drag and Drop Pixel Perfect. We can go ahead and give it a click and go to New Website. So over here is where you will get started. You start by choosing a template of your own. So you can either choose any of these between these categories, or you could also start with a blank page. We'll also have different templates for the blank page, and you can choose which one best fits your needs. So go ahead and click Edit so you can jump into the editor and start making your website. So this template is just one template of many that you can choose from, and over here is where the magic happens. In this plus button, you can add in many elements and applications for your website. You can add text, and you can see your layouts over here. Down at the bottom, we have configurations. We have our checkout configurations, and also if we want to add a blog to our website, this is where you would do it. We have the desktop vision, the iPad vision, and also the mobile vision. So pretty much, guys, we suggest you to start making your website with this tool, as it is the most user-friendly one we have, so you can start building the fastest way possible and the best way possible. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.